On my first visit to Croatia as commander of the U.S. Air Forces in Europe and Allied Air Command, I want to say hvala to our Croatian partners for decades of close cooperation between our airmen, soldiers, and sailors. Croatia is a dedicated NATO ally, a key security partner for the United States and importantly in Southeast Europe. Croatia has persevered through tough challenges over the past year, from the pandemic to devastating earthquakes. Yet none of these challenges have slowed the increasing pace of our defense partnership. The premier military exercises to take place here in the coming weeks, including Defender Europe and Astral Knight, are possible because of your exceptional resiliency and the readiness of the NATO team across Southern Europe. The close relationship between our militaries is crucial to the security and success of both our countries and the NATO alliance. On behalf of the U.S. Air Forces in Europe and Allied Air Command, I want to wish the Croatian Armed Forces a happy 30th anniversary. Sretan Rođendan, Croatia.